Hey guys, it's Coach Nick here from My Performance Health. Today I'm with Niroop. We're going to be running through a GBC, German Body Composition workout, just to try and help him lose a bit of body fat, burn some energy as we push towards the 72s. Alright, today we're going to be starting with easy bar curls, supersetted with tricep extension with dumbbells, also known as skull crushers. It still looks hard.
Sitting here at home, thinking about you all alone.
Next up, we're going to have dumbbell hammer curls and overhead tricep extension. Tricep extension and straight bar pronated curl. All the way to failure. 14, come on, keep 15. Alright, all finished up now. Niroop did pretty good. That was our first arm day on this method and he smashed it. We had a PB on overhead tricep extension, so we've gone up to 11 and hit him with a drop set at the end. He managed 32 reps tricep extensions and 26 of forearm curls. So that's pretty good. Next week, we're definitely going up weight and we're going to try and add a little bit more volume in there as well. But all in all, great session.
Thank you.